What's going on, everybody? This is Kyle here at All Dogs Off-road, and today I'm going to give you a walk around of a couple products that'll be coming out for the Nissan market, what the benefits of them are, and what the plans are for them. Yeah. Alright, so first product is this AL Off-road trailgate tailgate cover. We met these guys when we were at More Expo this year. They were set up a couple booths down from us, and we got to talking. And we decided to work with them to develop this panel for the Nissan, both second and third gen Frontiers. It's made of 3/16 aluminum, has cup holders in it on both sides. As it's aluminum, it'll stand up to abuse a lot better than plastic. And they actually, when they sent us prototypes, they were nice enough to engrave the All Dogs Off-road logo in it. If and when you do order this, it will not come with the ADO logo, so you don't have to worry about that. It does sound, though, that we might actually stock some of these in with the ADO logo over here underneath their logo. But otherwise, yeah, it's been, I've already used it quite a bit. It's pretty solid, and it's a heck of a lot better than the Ripley plastic that comes from the factory. Really about the only downside to it, and it's not a downside for me, but I know some people do complain about it, is the weight of the tailgate. It does add probably 5 to 10 pounds to the tailgate, and I know some people already don't like the weight of the tailgate, so just keep that in mind when you do order it, that it will add weight to the tailgate. But otherwise, it's a heck of a lot more useful, and it'll stand up to abuse way better than the factory plastic piece. Second piece to the truck that is new is this new Kuat Ibex bed rack. Just released this week, actually. It is a modular rack that actually can be adjusted to 2 heights. So say if you wanted to run a wedge in a full height rack, all you do is, it comes with these spacers. There's two metal covers here that have 2 bolts to hold them on the back. Simply remove the covers, and then there's bolts within here. Separate the rack and bolt these in, and it goes full height. I have it at the mid height because I'm running my iCamper tent, and I wanted it to stay below the roof line. So that's why it's at this situation. Eventually they're going to come out with a full line of accessories, including full-length MOLLE panels, bike racks, antenna mounts, bottle openers. The main reason I bought it was because I wonder if you can hear that.
Maybe.
Probably. All right, I'll shoot it over. So the main reason I picked this up was because Kuat is a very well-known bike rack company, and these bars have T-tracks within the inside of here, and they are going to have mounts that will hold a bike mount off to the side of it, so I can carry this with my rooftop tent. And then bikes on the side, say if we want to drive around town to where I don't have to take stuff on and off. When that stuff becomes available, I'll pick it up, and then we can update as we go. But as of right now, it is sitting at this length and this height. One piece of advice I want to give people, just for now, if you do plan on buying this, I took a chance on it with a 2nd gen Frontier, and it was too long. Mike can post pictures if he wants within the video as we go to show the overhang, but it was 2 inches too long. And I reached out to Kuat, and they said at some point they're going to release a shorter one. So instead of waiting on that and spending another $1,400 on a rack, I just picked up an aluminum saw blade, took 2 inches off, and it fits the truck correctly. This afternoon we'll get the rooftop tent back on it, and we'll get some finished pictures online. You'll see those obviously before the video. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now, at least with my truck. Chad has a video coming up with his new setup that he has. It's a heck of a lot nicer than this. But I'm working with what I got right now. The one thing that I don't have figured out yet is I have my WeBoost antenna just zip tied to my spare tire because it has no place, but I found some antenna adapters I think that'll work. So yeah, keep an eye out on social media for that, and we'll have more updates soon. As for stuff we have going on, we have Overland Expo end of the month. And then it sounds like, I don't know who's all going to be there, but we will be attending Overland East in October. And then possibly also at the end of September, we may be attending the Big Iron Overland Rally in West Mineral, Kansas. So if you're out and about at those events, we're there. Swing by, say hi. Otherwise, like, follow, sub, ring the bell, do all that stuff if you want. If not, it's all good. But we'll see you next time.
Oh, don't forget him.
Love your merchandise.
Oh yeah.
Guy.
Oh yeah, I also forgot, sneak peek to some upcoming merchandise that we'll have on the site here soon.
Go buy it.
Yeah, go buy it.